Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to remove the background from an image with AI quickly and easily. First, head over to a free online tool like remove.bg or use Canvas background remover if you already have an account. Simply upload your photo and the AI will automatically detect the subject and erase the background within seconds. You can also refine the edges, erase or restore parts manually, and even replace the background with a solid color or another image. If you're on Photoshop, the select subject plus remove background button does the same thing instantly using Adobe's AI. Once you're happy with the result, download the image as a PNG file to keep the transparent background. This saves tons of time compared to manual editing and is perfect for YouTube thumbnails, product photos, or social media posts. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.